Hi, I'm Emma Jacobs, and today I chose to create a booklet for students to be able to study and learn from um, for my topic of early American colonization. So, a booklet is a tool kind of like Kahoot, but involves more games, and it's like a racing game. And the students really love it. This is played in one of my tips. So, I created a early American colonization of the 13 colonies and founders. So a way a teacher could use this is you could either add questions, Quizlet import, or spreadsheet import, and you just import the questions. You create a time limit, which is really nice for the students. You can customize it and create as many as you want, and then you can create a time limit, edit the information, put a picture right here, and create it public, or you can do it private. So I'm going to save the set that I created, and then you click host. Host is when you're actually in the classroom and you're going to play live. But right now I'm going to do solo to show you what it's like. So I'm going to select a game mode, which I personally like tower defense. We're going to click new game, empty, and this is definitely a really good way that the students can learn how to do this. So we'll do a tutorial, cool, which is really nice for the students to learn. And then you can choose your character, which is really nice. And we're going to go right here. Okay. Let me move me. Okay. So then we're going to go. So then it asks the questions. And then this, if you answer the wrong question, the student sees that it's wrong and sees the correct answer for the next time. Okay. That one's correct. So that's just an example of what you see. We'll just do a few. And then you get money towards how many you do, and like then it will move you, and then you'll race. So that's a really cool way for students to be able to have fun and learn at the same exact time. So right here, you can see that my little duck is eating these as I go through the game, which is super cool too. And then as a teacher, you can go back through and cancel the game after all the students have played. There's multiple different games that the students can play. This is a really cool activity to do in class, and the students can do it out of class when they're playing solo. All you have to do is just send a link. You can do a link, copy, or merge. You can also edit yourself, and you can view the set for personal questions that you might have about the question answer type of thing that you might want to study. And then you can do my sets, favorite, homework, history, everything. There's even, you can buy different books from other teachers and other classrooms. You can go to the market to help your like students have different characters, that kind of thing. And then you can see the statistics from each of the booklets, which is super, super nice. So this is mine for that. And then you can manage my books, which is that kind of stuff, which would be each student. Each student would have a different booklet, and then they'd play the game, and then I can see their progress from there, which is really nice. So, yeah, booklet, way better than Kahoot.